All right, so yesterday when I had my grand epiphany, it was getting a little dark outside, so what I wanted to do today was come back out and show what we got accomplished last night after the sun went down. All right, so we used Sherman and the log grapple, worked it off the pile here, came over to the HDXL, just left the 8-way in it because I got some other wood I'm going to process and just had maybe a cord or two I wanted to put up. So we have the hopper feeder from Splitforce, and as you can see, we went right from the conveyor on the processor directly into the feeder hopper. We've got the 1320, and yes, this is what happens when you let a 16-year-old fill up the gas tank. It's cold, he doesn't think things are brittle, so now he owes me a top. Anyway, so we've got the hopper feeder pretty well filled. Gonna run the vertical here on the 1320 and bust up some of the processed wood. So again, we're looking to get down into like that 2x2. So we'll probably do like 1, 2, 3, and then 4 hits across this. That'll give me like 5 or 6 pieces of firewood. And anything small, we'll just go ahead and glean it right off of the hopper feeder and put it into the conveyor. Anything that's too long, too short, or too ugly to go in for bundle wood goes into this tote, and then all the good stuff comes right up through here. So we have a nice little firewood factory going on. We go right from log length to cut length to at least quartered down into the hopper, across to the splitter, back up that conveyor, and into the tote. Pretty cool. I'm going to throw the drone up in the air so you can actually see what it looks like from the air, because standing down here, it's not nearly as impressive than 60 feet in the air. Stay tuned for that. Well, there you have it. There's a glimpse into our little firewood factory, taking things from the HDXL from Timberwolf, setting it up the 18-foot hydraulic fold over the top, side-to-side pivot conveyor, which you got to see from the aerial view there on the drone, into the hopper feeder from Splitforce over to the table on the 1320, and then that gets worked down into the perfect bundle wood, those nice 2x2, 2x3 inch pieces there, and then we'll cart them over into the inventory pile so they can continue to season up. But if I can earn your business with the sales quote, would love to hear from you. It's 833-SPLITTER. It's 833-775-4887. You can also email me at sales@shaverequipment.com. But again, we use everything, so I've got the first-hand knowledge on just how to set this kind of stuff up. Would love to talk to you and figure out which piece of machinery we have would work best in your wood yard at your budget, because there's a whole lineup of things. You know, from Timberwolf here, we go from like that LP that kicks off right around 30,000 and it goes up into this big HDXL, you know, like over 110, 115, depending how we package it together. And so lots of different options. And then like the Splitforce stuff, we go from like the towable, which kicks off around like a 10.2, 10.5, up into this big boy here, which is all the bells and whistles, 24-inch cylinder, electric start, oil cooler, and the list goes on. And our retail around like 26, 27,000. So, and we have everything in between too. So give us a phone call, shoot us an email. Would love to hear from you. Do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button here on the channel so you can stay up to date on everything we have going on. And just working hard to be lazy. Just another day here in the wood yard, folks. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.